When winter hits and all you want is something comforting, we have got just what your soul needs. 3 warm, healing soups that will hug you from the inside out. Let's start with the classic tomato soup. Melt a little oil and a butter in a pan. Add cinnamon, black pepper, a bay leaf, some garlic and ginger. Add cubed tomatoes, sprinkle some salt and pepper, then pour in water and let it all boil for about 10 minutes. Once done, blend it all into smooth puree. Transfer it back to the pan, whisk in some cream and season again if needed. And just like that, your cozy bowl of tomato soup is ready to serve hot. Next up, the golden magic turmeric soup. In a pan, heat some water and add grated ginger, turmeric and all your favorite spices with a pinch of salt. Let it boil till it reduces to 3/4. Now strain it and in another pan, saute some onions, mushrooms and carrots in a bit of oil. Pour in that turmeric water, add salt, top it with some fresh coriander and serve piping hot. It's soothing, healthy and perfect for those winter blues. And finally, something hearty for the soul, chicken meatball soup. Start by shaping small meatballs from minced chicken. In a saucepan, heat olive oil and add bay leaf, black pepper, onions, carrots, celery, baby corn, mushrooms and beans. Give it all a good mix. Add salt, pour in about 750 ml of water and drop in those meatballs. Let it all simmer and cook beautifully. Serve it hot and trust me, this one's a warm hug in a bowl. So whether you are down with a cold, craving comfort or just looking to warm up your soul, these 3 soups will do the trick. Stay cozy, sip slow and let the warmth work its magic. For more such videos, subscribe to Times Foodie.